Hey friends, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Delicia, and here on my channel I share all things home decor, minimal and cozy home decorating ideas, and so much more geared around home living. In this video I'm sharing my first full clean with me Snowstorm edition. I had other plans for us, but the elements kept me from that and pushed me to face my fear of doing a full clean with me. So thank you to Snowstorm Landon. Now let's get started. On this cozy day, I decided to make omelets for my husband and myself. So after we finished with our eating and gathered up our dishes, the cleaning began. But not before I lit my candle to let the beautiful fragrance linger through the house, so that once I'm done with everything, the house can look good and smell good as well. In our home, we do not have a dishwasher. We are the dishwashers. When we moved in this house over 23 years ago, we pulled out the dishwasher for more storage space. Neither my husband or myself, we did not grow up with dishwashers, so it's not even like it's really missed. Sometimes I wish I have one on those days or nights that I'm really tired. But other than that, it's really not a big deal, and it's just something that we are used to. And even now that my girls are young adults and they are out on their own, they have a dishwasher where they live, but they don't use it either. They hand wash because that's the way they grew up. So how about you? Do you hand wash your dishes, or do you totally use a dishwasher? Even though I'm usually picking up random pieces of paper or other things that need to be thrown away before I start washing the dishes, I still end up having to put things away, like leftover food that needs to be stored away or things that need to be recycled. And we keep our recycling out in the garage, so that's where you see me disappearing to and reappearing. Over the years, this has become a catch-all area, mostly when people first walk in, and there's usually mail here, even though there's a mail organizer there. My husband usually keeps his here, so I'm saving that for him. I usually take mine to my office, and anything else goes in its home or to recycling. And a lot of times before an item gets returned to its home, I usually find one centralized place that I put things so that when I'm done cleaning, I can just take all of those things back where they belong. Depending on which device you're watching this video on right now, you may see a link in the upper right hand corner of your screen if you missed out on my under the sink organization video that I did a while back. I am grabbing right now the pink stuff that I got from Amazon as well as Barkeeper's Friend, trying to decide which cleaner I want to use to get the grease stains that have splattered on my microwave underneath. For everyday cleanings on my stovetop, all I use is 1 squirt of Dawn dish soap and a washcloth. Get it all lathered up. I'll rinse the washcloth out with clear water, wipe it down again, and it will be a little lathery, not as much as the first time. And then I'll just take 1 sheet of a paper towel or a towel and shine it up real good. How about you? How do you clean your stovetop on a daily basis? Okay, I am calling for some expert help here. Once I wipe down the knobs, some of you may notice that there is a mysterious scratch by one of them that just so happened to appear on Christmas Eve, and I cannot get it out. No one seems to know how it happened, and right now it doesn't matter. But if you know how to get scratches out of stainless steel, please leave me a comment down below. Now it's all shiny and clean. Still have quite a bit of this Mrs. Meyer's apple cider multi-surface cleaner from the fall, so I'm going to be using that to clean and wipe down my countertops. And while I'm at it, I'm going to be wiping down the backsplash as well. doesn't love a clean and dry kitchen sink? Today I'm going to be using my Barkeeper's Friend soft cleanser with a little bit of Dawn dish soap. I am in the process of searching for a new faucet for the sink. Actually, I found a few back in the summer, sometime last year, but I just put it on hold for a little while because, as you will see, after I have dried everything down and walk away, this faucet tends to leak. The sprayer is a little bit loose. It came with the sink, but I want to update it a little bit and make it a little bit more cohesive with some of the black hardware in the kitchen. If you're still here with me, thank you guys. If you are enjoying this cleaning motivation video, please let me know by giving me a big thumbs up. Also, if you feel like you want to see more of these type of videos here on my channel and you're able to leave me an emoji of a broom or a sponge just to let me know. I thought that would be kind of fun to engage with me that way. For all of my cordless vacuum cleaner owners, please drop your recommendations for a cordless vac down in the comments below because I am looking for one. This vacuum cleaner is about 30 pounds. I've had it for quite some time now after my Shark broke down on me. My husband replaced it with this one. It has been great for us. It has had some issues that we've gotten fixed, so it still works. But like I said, it's very heavy for lugging up and down the amount of stairs that we have in the house. And now that we are mostly hard floor and we don't have a lot of carpet anymore, just a few area rugs, and we still have low pile carpet upstairs in the hallway in 2 of our rooms, I am ready to get rid of this one and get a cordless. So let me know what you have and what you recommend. What I'm looking for, I am looking for something that's affordable, as well as the batteries with the vacuums that have long battery life, as well as great suction. So let me know down below, and maybe I'll let you know in another video what I have chosen. Even though we have mostly a no shoe policy in our home, we still get some dirt tracked in. And this is a high traffic area, the main level of our house. And in addition to that, we have an attached garage. So I just feel that even though most times we are taking our shoes off, somehow it still gets tracked in. And in addition to it being a lot of snow outside right now, I've been seeing some salt getting tracked in. So with the dusting and the vacuuming, I'm going to mop, knowing that even though I've gone through all of this, I'm probably still going to see a little bit more of that getting tracked in right now. Totally used to that this time of year. So this is what each area is looking like before I mop the floor. I'm a little old school, so I still use pine saw to mop my floor. How about you? What do you use? I've heard a lot of you use, or I've seen a lot of you use the Tide on the floor. I have never done that. Actually, I think I heard somebody from Tide say that they don't recommend that. So what do you use to mop your floor? As you can see, my mop head was already looking a little bit dirty because I had already done this quite a few times because of the amount of snow that we had. But after this time, I'm going to go ahead and drop this down in the washer. To my fellow YouTube friends that are also subscribers to this channel that do these type of cleaning videos on a regular basis, I commend you guys because this is a lot of work. This actually increases the cleaning time when you are recording these videos. So bravo to you guys. But to my subscribers that would want to see me do more of these videos on my channel, because I do all things home here, let me know in the comments down below, again, by either just telling me or leaving me a emoji of a broom or a sponge to let me know, and I will do that. And if you are a new viewer here and you enjoyed this video as well as others that I have here on my channel, make sure that you subscribe and don't forget to click that notification bell so whenever I upload my latest videos, you will be notified. They're usually posted on Sundays. I still have a lot of work to do, guys, that I'm not sharing today. I got to take care of those magazines at the top of the stairs, and I still need to go downstairs and do some cleaning as well. So this is what my front entry is looking like right now after cleaning. Until we meet again, make sure you are caught up on this video. I'll see you soon.